What we got today is an Absolute Baseball hobby box. Inside there'll be 2 boxes. I wasn't even tracking this, but I watched a couple breaks and they were pretty intense. So I picked up a box. Let's see what we got. Alright, so inside 2 individual boxes, purple, 1 green. That's everything in there. Alright, let's do purple first. Mom's lucky color. Let's see what we got. I wasn't tracking these, so if you see Albert Pujols on the front, no team. So Absolute does not have the license with MLB. They do have it with the player associations. They can use the names and the likenesses, but they can't use, well, that's what I'm talking about. See all the thick ones in there already? Multiple hits per box, people were saying. All right. Alvarez, that's a good card. Look at that, Aaron Judge. That's what I'm saying right there. See that? Aaron Judge. Yeah, we got Extreme Team, numbered 77 to 99. Fernando Tatis. That's a win. Oh, look at these 2-1. Look at those. I'm going to say them for a minute. You got Robbie Ray with Seattle. Rookie class, Edward Cabrera. That's another good one. So I guess they make up with not having the teams on there, so they won't sell as much as your tops, but historic duels. A couple Cubs from the past, Cubs from the future or the present. That's pretty cool. There we go, little Paul Goldschmidt. St. Louis. So they do kind of a good job. You can't, I mean, with the exception of the hat, the emblem's missing and everything, but other than that, I'm a Cardinals, so Cardinal fan. That's a good one for me. Detroit. Now let's see what we got here. Look at that. Brady Singer, numbered 21 to 99. Kansas City. How about that? Oh, we got a booklet here. O'Neal Cruz booklet. 50 of 50. Look at that. Signed baseball patch. Game worn jersey. His numbers in there. Man, I've never pulled a booklet before. That's pretty cool. See? Look at that. All them hits in this one, just the 1 pack. Purple was a lucky color. Let's see what this green one's got to offer. That's pretty exciting. Look at that again. Look at them thick ones. Pittsburgh there. Oh, Frank Chance. I don't even recognize that name. Chicago. That's pretty cool, though. I'll lay these down so you can't. Look at that. Los Angeles. Rookie signature. 17 of 75. Man, definitely worth the money. If you're lucky, you can pick a box up for somewhere around 200, 150. Cleveland. Again, numbered to 150. Rookie class, Rosani Contreras. Shane Bieber. 7, look at that. Man. Clayton Kershaw. What a unit. Thurman, man. So now let's see what we got down. These two hit here. An autograph and game used. Houston. Chase McCormick. Man, this one here. Colorado Rockies. Numbered. Was this one numbered? This was. To 75. This one's numbered to 299. Rookie. That's pretty good. If you picked any of these up, if you haven't, I suggest you go get some.